Are you nearly ready to go then?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just let them.
You're really going to be ready since you got here.
Oh, I'm glad it's okay. Oh.
We were worried, everybody was worried.
Yeah, I didn't realise really, but it's not to find out, is it? Oh.
I was worried. It sort of went past the time, didn't it? And you start to think,
Well, then you just, what the hell's happened? You try not to think, don't you? I think that's the problem. And then the more you try not to think, the more it pops in. And then you don't talk about it. It's like 5 hours it's been.
but your dad's okay.
Yes, yeah, he's fine. It's all good. Thank God. That's me.
You're turning the barrel.
Oh, yeah, but you won't know anything about it, you see, and we'll be up here.
Alright, I'll speak to you a little bit. Good luck. I'll see you when you're back out.
Okay.
Yeah.
You won't know anything about it, you'll be fine.
Just check your ring number. We'll need 1305683.
Yes.
Right, we've got it all up. That's mine. Take your time.
I need to walk down to the lift and go down. Sleep, nice deep sleep. Can you yeah, I'll have a look at the logistics of
Have you got waterproof and scarlet on?
yeah.
In the sheet.
Oh no, they'll never wash out.
Yeah. Have a nice sleep. Have a nice sleep.
She's looking forward to that.
Yeah. Bye, Dave. Bye.
Computer. Entertainment for the night.
So where are you going now?
Off to the unit for another 4 hours dialysis. What time is it? Oh,
Nearly half.
should be home by about 10:15, something like that.
Okay, darling.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Alright. See you in a while.
I know.
It's looking good.
Bye.
Bye.
I've had to really go with Kevin's feelings, but I don't think he's really considered my side of it, that I want to help him and I feel that I could help him. I am the right blood group and tissue type and everything, but he's refusing to accept mine and I find that very difficult. But he can't understand that. He feels that it's his decision to make, rather than obviously considering mine as well. So I can understand how he feels because we have talked about it, and he's a very sensitive person and he feels that he doesn't want to put on me and he doesn't want to feel beholden and things like that, which obviously I wouldn't make him feel like that, or I don't think I would, but that's his opinion and he feels that it's his opinion that's to be considered and obviously not mine. So I feel a bit difficult, I suppose it is really. It's the fact that I'm watching him gradually deteriorate. He's lost almost 6.5 stone now really in the last year, and it's very hard to see him getting very, very poorly and not being able to help him when I could help him. So you tend to just put a brave face on it and get on with it really. I've had enough of sitting here now. I'll take these through. No, it's not easy.
How do you get on with Tricia?
All right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
She didn't give you too much of a hard time.
No, she was Well, she wants to donate her kidney to you.
I know. And we've been through this. We go through it round and round in circles. And we did this with the heart transplant. They wanted to know, they asked me if I wanted to know who the donor was and everything else, and I didn't, because I don't want to sit there and cogitate over some poor person that's died giving me their heart. And it's the same with the kidney. I don't want to look at somebody and say, I've got your kidney. So, I don't know, it's just not for me. And all these kind people saying, yeah, I'll do it. I've had people I've met once in my life have said, I'll give you one, and it's not for me. I'm just going to wait until I hit the list for an anonymous donor. That's me. End of. Okay?
So to infinity and... That was loud enough. Follow me, beavers. Okay. I want a nice line. I do not want a mob, I want a line. I want it now. Duck down. What do your kidneys do? Well, tell you what, I bet you know this. What does your heart do? Why have you got this thing going ba-dum, ba-dum inside you? What's it do? It moves your blood around. Well done. If your blood didn't go round, you'd die, wouldn't you? Every part of your body needs a bit of blood, you see? Now, kidneys do something with your blood, right? The kidneys, the blood goes into them, and the kidneys clean it. And it takes all the stuff out of your blood that you don't want and puts it in your bladder down there, and then where does it go? You know, it goes in the toilet, doesn't it? It's called wee, isn't it? Urine, and you wee all the stuff out. Now, I've got a problem. My kidneys don't work. So what I'm going to do now, and what Peter is going to sort of watch me doing, because he's making a film about it, is called dialysis. Okay? Now, do you mind if I show them my little catheter? It's not unpleasant. Okay, I've got a little tube stuck in me. Look, here it is. See that? So I don't wee, not very much. Don't worry about this, I'm perfectly healthy, I'm fine, look at me, wee! Okay? And in that tube goes some special sort of watery stuff, and it cleans my blood. And then after about 6 hours, I wash it all out, and it's a bit like weeing. This won't take long. No, I'm not going to wee in it. Right, now you watch this, you watch this. You may not have long enough to see the whole thing, but what I do, right, I just put a little cap on it. Now at the moment I've got all this stuff inside me. So now this is me having a wee, okay? You watch. Watch the pipe, open the tap, and out it comes. And it fills this bag here. And isn't it wonderful? Listen, don't touch, you mustn't touch. Okay, isn't it wonderful what people can invent? Because if it wasn't for this, I would be dead. But someone's invented a way to keep me alive. Isn't that wonderful? So let's have a round of applause for the person who invented dialysis. Yes.